Hey guys, just a quick video to show you which course on Canvas that you can access to teach our second year level threes. That's the second year level three. So on Canvas, go to your courses list, and this will probably take forever as Wi-Fi in here is not good. Click all courses right down at the bottom then, which will populate your full list of courses, and scroll right to the bottom to past enrollments. And the course you're looking for is the Level 3 Pearson BTEC Level 3 90 credit diploma in construction. And this has been tried and tested, and the students and us have access to this. Now, unfortunately, under modules, we still can't upload material to this, so material will have to be emailed out, and I will send a link to the email list. But it will get us to an online lesson. So click here to go to your online classroom. That'll load. And it should populate a box that will have all the names of the possible online classrooms in it. And just in the normal fashion, then once your name comes up, you'll choose your name, and just be aware that there is 2 pages of names once this comes up. Okay, so it's that on there in mine because it's taking too long to load there. That's it now. So I'll choose my name and go in. I think everybody that needs to be on is on. So Colleen's is there, Paul's is on the first page, and on the second page we have Ashleen and John Dolan who need that as well.